Mrs. Marbury, Mr. Custon.
Rent is 2 and 6 a week. You pay up front and a week in hand. Some parcels got delivered for you. We took them up.
Should have left them for me to carry.
The brown paper items littering my vestibule.
I'm very sorry to inconvenience you, Mrs. Marbury.
The door is bolted at 10 o'clock sharp. I don't hold with no toppers and sots. You mind your P's and Q's and we'll get along nicely. Are you just passing through or do you expect to be a long-term resident?
That all depends.
On what?
The success of my enterprise.
Mr. Treadgold, one of my long-term, got a bad back. My daughter Lily is helping him.
그다지 나이스한 컨디션이 아니었음에도 요구사항만 수만 가지. 그렇지만 타지 생활인 만큼 주인공 커스트가 찬밥 더운 밥을 가릴 처지는 되질 못했고 짐 정리가 마무리되기에 무섭게 타자기를 꺼내들게 되는데요.
I followed you the other day. You looked old and tired. You walk as if your feet hurt. I was rather concerned for you. Could you feel my breath on your neck, Hercule? I think you're trying to roll back the time to when you were a famous detective. When you were wanted. When you were loved.
이내 곧 명탐정 푸아로에게 편지 한 통이 전달되죠.
I will be a faceless beast, leading lamb.
Need to speak to Inspector Japp on the matter of urgency. I know the way.
He's not here. Hoeing his cabbages, most likely.
He retired?
Mm-hmm.
Who took over from him?
That'll be young Inspector Crone.
Then I'll speak to him.
He's out on a case at the moment. Take a seat with the other members of the public, if you'd be so good.
한때 내 집처럼 드나들었는데 이제는 제지를 당하게 되는 다시금 많은 시간이 흘러버렸다는 걸 깨닫게 되고
Inspector Crone, sir.
그렇게 면전에서 개 무시를 당해버린 푸아로 시내에서 한참 떨어진 텃밭을 찾게 되죠.
Inspector Japp?
I'm getting my ducks in a row, as they say. I'll let you know when I'm ready. Until then, chin chin, ABC.
Every letter from ABC has a different postmark. They're different from the others.
What others? You're not better than us. Piss off,
19 years I've lived here, and still people think I'm French. Japp, why wouldn't Inspector Crone see me?
You know what young men are like? Want to make their name. He's a good lad, though. Just give him time. Why do you keep these? You should chuck them in the bin where they belong.
They come every day, Japp. The letters from ABC are polite, sympathetic, almost friendly. They scare me the most. Put my finger on what is wrong about them.
명성이 자자한 명탐정에 관심을 끌어보려는 관종의 장난일 거란 주장. 크게 개의치 말라고 안심시키는 게 절친 제프가 할 수 있는 것의 전부였고
I've baked a ham. Got some spuds. Nice red cabbage.
사이코의 장난은 잠시 잊고 즐거운 시간을 보내기로 하는데요.
First, I'm burning these.
Thank you, my friend.
그런데
Japp? Japp?
그렇게 제프를 떠나보내고 며칠이 흐른 어느 날
Good morning to you, madam. I have the privilege of addressing Mrs. Alice Asher.
But don't waste your breath on the patter, sunshine. I'm not buying anything, and I've...
You don't know what I'm selling yet, Mrs. Asher.
같은 시간 푸아로 앞으로 전달된 ABC의 살인 예고였는데요. 문제는 이미 오래전 현역에서 물러나 영향력이 제로에 가깝다는 사실. 어쩔 수 없이 절친의 마지막 곁을 지키는 선택을 하게 되죠.
Inspector Crone, do not make me chase you.
Mr. Poirot.
I need you to speak to your colleagues in Andover.
About what?
Murder. This was Japp's office.
Was?
Used to do those murder parties in the big houses. Like when you were a celebrity. Odd thing to do. Rich people pretending to be murdered.
No longer the demand.
Mr. Poirot, you appear to be melting. Must have been jolly, though. Cavorting with the gentry, the aristos, playing at death. Fun.
이렇듯 선배로서의 예우 따위는 느껴지지 않는 신경전이 이어지던 그때
Yelland.
So I've spoken in depth to our colleagues at Andover, sir. To wit, a dog running off with some laundry, a bicycle thrown in a river,
What else?
the usual run of drunken disorderlies and breaches of the... And a boy broke the window of Asher's tobacconist. Mrs. Asher didn't answer the door, cardboard over the window, and let the young lad off with a clip round the lughole.
No murders.
No, sir.
No corpse in the library. No silver candlestick rammed into some heiress's eye socket. No twitching guts in the conservatory.
No, sir.
Well, there we are then. Hope that puts your mind at rest. You know what day it is today, don't you?
The 1st of April.
Fool's Day. I think you've just been taken.
Your time and effort in this matter are appreciated.
이렇듯 크롬을 설득하는 게 아닌 제대로 한 방 먹어버리게 되자 본연의 모습으로 돌아가자는 현실을 직시하는 선택을 하게 되고 혹시라도 놓친 단서라도 있지 않을까 ABC의 편지를 뚫어져라 바라보고 있었는데요.
And a boy broke the window of Asher's tobacconist.
And Mrs. Asher didn't answer.
무언가 불안함을 느껴버린 듯 엔도버로의 걸음을 재촉.
Mrs. Asher? Madame?
부득이 허락도 없이 가게에 들어설 수밖에 없었는데요. 스타킹을 미끼로 잔인무도한 살인을 저지른 기필코 범인을 잡아내겠다는 스스로의 다짐을 하게 되고 그런데 이때 두 귀를 사로잡는 아름다운 선율. 조금 전 살인을 저질렀다는 사실을 망각해버린 듯 릴리의 목소리에 빠져들게 되죠.
You murdering sack of bastard. You're going to the rope for this. You know that? I'm gonna crack your neck.
It isn't him, Detective Barnes.
Alice Asher's neighbour said he was always threatening his wife. That he said he was gonna cut her throat. That he was gonna cut her head clean off. And he practically did cut her head. Like you don't know.
To inflict such a mortal wound with a weapon inadequate to the task requires great strength. Monsieur Asher is a dipsomaniac who could not strike a match, let alone wield a knife.
게다가 그 어디에서도 발견되지 않은 아내의 혈은
It isn't him.
He bought some gloves. And then he chucked them off.
Mon Dieu, Detective Barnes, you are no student of human frailty. Any money he has, he spends on his demon, on alcohol. And the cash register was undisturbed.
You reckon you know it all, don't you? Case closed.
If Mum knew what you were really like, Betty. If Donald knew. You'll find out.
Bored of him because he is boring, Megan. Anything interesting about him is his pay. It's like talking to a plate. How did you put up with him?
I loved him.
All I had to do was click my fingers and he came running. Threw you over like you were nothing. I did you a favour there, Megan. And maybe then you'll stop being such a sour, joyless vinegar tit. Sweet dreams.
사건을 해결하기는커녕 남편의 누명을 벗기지 못했다는 실망도 잠시.
Hello, Hercule. What did you think of Mrs. Asher? No. What's next? B. But which B?
어느새 커스트는 백세일이라는 곳에 다 있었죠.
I should see the other chap, eh?
No.
Oh, that's a shame. What you got in there? Family silver?
I'm in sales. I travel with what I sell.
What do you sell then? Oh, I'm definitely keeping these.
And very reasonably priced. I mean, if you're too busy now to get your purse, I can...
Oh no, I don't pay for things. Men give them to me.
I can't. This is my livelihood.
You're a virgin, aren't you?
What?
This is the closest you're ever gonna get to my leg.
그런데 그날 저녁
That's how you play backgammon.
이 무슨 운명의 장난인 걸까? 남자를 호구로 아는 문제의 웨이트리스였고
Sweaty hands off me!
You owe me for the stockings.
Debt paid.
겨우 거머리 같은 남자를 떼어낼 수 있었는데요.
Donald!
You're coming over me.
Let go, you dozy...
You stay here. We're through. I will marry you.
My broken heart. I have a chap in here who's got more about him than you'll ever have. Off your trot and stop getting on my nerves.
You know what's next, don't you?
이내 곧 두 번째 희생자와 마주하게 되고
Who is she?
Elizabeth Barnard, known as Betty. She works down at the Ginger Cat Cafe.
아니나 다를까 자신의 존재감을 드러내는 철도 안내서. 사건의 여파였을까 그 어떠한 단서 하나 찾을 수 없었는데요.
My special darling baby.
I've just been told. It can't be true.
Someone took our girl from us, Donald. A perfect angel. What are we going to do without her?
I'll make some tea.
I thought you might require some assistance.
A perfect angel. Betty wasn't either of those things. My sister was a slut.
Mademoiselle, your sister is dead.
She was still a slut.
Do you want your walk? Do you? Oh, very well.
I finished my work. Would you mind if I joined you?
Not at all, but it is quite wild out there.
Well, I could use the fresh air.
In that case, we'd love your company. Come on, Wilbur.
Go with them. You're the best brother-in-law a girl could have.
Darling, I'm the only brother-in-law.
You're Mr. Cuss. Is there something you want?
Is your mother in?
She's out. Did you want to book? Because if you did, you could book direct with me. Then I could keep the money. It was just our arrangement. Shilling for ordinary.
쉽게 말해 어머니가 자신에게 덤터기를 씌우고 있다는 이야기. 이 일을 계기로 릴리와의 안면을 틀 수 있었고 같은 시간 처스턴의 대저택.
I see what you're doing. She's the secretary. She's humped off. Oh, come here. She's trying to take you away from me. For me to be dead.
Sorry, Thora, she doesn't mean any of it. It's not really her speaking.
Warrant to search and seize evidence pertaining to crime. Evidence which you have withheld from the proper authority.
You told me it was April Fool's Day. A copy of the ABC Railway Guide was left beside the body. It is the killer telling us les règles du jeu. That is private.
Warrant. A lot.
You don't need them.
He knows you, the killer, so we'll be going through everything. Nothing's private anymore. This was on the map.
What is the postmark?
Cricklewood. Hello, Hercule. Betty was a pretty girl, wasn't she? And I leaned over her and inhaled her last breath. Drew it into my mouth, and it tasted so sweet. I'm tired, Hercule. So we'll have a little rest, and we'll pick up where we left off. Chin chin. Send a constable morning and evening to collect your post. And don't make any more day trips to crime scenes.
You will not catch ABC without me.
Yes, I will. You were a policeman in Belgium before the war, a detective, but you weren't.
You are lucky you never lived through an invasion. Things are burned. Buildings, people, records turned to ash.
No one had ever heard your name. No Hercule Poirot registered anywhere in the Belgian police before 1914.
크롬과의 첫 만남 이후 그에게 존경심을 바래선 안 된다는 걸 알고 있었지만 어느새 나의 과거까지 부정당하는 신세가 되어버렸고
Mon nom est Hercule Poirot. Je suis un réfugié.
Are you joining family who are already here?
Non.
And what is your profession?
Gendarme.
Where's the letter from ABC?
You have what I have.
What are you so twitchy for?
My helmet remove my personal possessions. Twitchy is the appropriate.
크롬의 예고대로 모든 우편물을 압수. 푸아로가 할 수 있는 거라고는 수많은 스타킹을 만지작거리는 게 나름의 최선이었고 같은 시간 도라는 낯선 소리와 마주하게 되는데요.
Sir Carmichael.
How disgraceful of me. What an appalling show. I'm so sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry for.
You are such a comfort to me, Thora. What the hell are you doing?
I was just trying to be kind.
I love my wife. How can you live here all this time and not know that?
You've misunderstood me. I
give to find another job and somewhere else to live. Consider this your formal notice of dismissal.
Sir...
Lady Hermione's asking for you, sir.
Thank you, Capstick. You have plenty of work to be getting on with, Miss Grey.
Someone's fallen off a pedestal.
Piss off.
I've got my eye on you, girl.
대저택을 소유한 갑부와 그곳에서 생활하는 미모의 비서. 소설을 너무 많이 읽은 걸까? 제대로 팔자를 고쳐보려는 노력은 물거품이 되어버렸고 그리고 그날 저녁
Come on, just a short stroll. Come on, Wilbur, you're supposed to be going for a walk. Go on. Go on. What's the matter with you? Silly old thing.
It's Mrs. Kirkham from across the hall.
How may I assist you?
My Daily's fault. I only just saw it.
Churston. Coomside is the house. The name is Clark.
Churston 966.
Is Sir Carmichael safe?
Who is this? What are you talking about?
Hercule Poirot. Somebody means him great harm.
Harm?
Darling, can you ask Carr to come to the telephone?
He took Wilbur for his walk.
When?
Oh, I don't know. I was dozing.
Car?
I was in the bath. Is there something wrong?
Sir Carmichael?
I have to call the police. I'm sorry, I have to call them right now.
Grip Station! Thank you. Grip Station!
영국 전역의 연쇄살인이라는 공포의 그림자가 드리우기 시작하죠.
You think the killer wanted to get me?
He is. Pardon me for being so blunt. A deranged sexual pervert. His victims are women. Asher, Barnard.
But my surname is Grey.
Perhaps he thought it was Cray. And mistook Sir Carmichael for you.
What about Capstick? Maybe the killer wanted to get her.
Inspector, take my brother for Miss Grey or Capstick.
Did any of you see any strangers? Anything or anyone unusual?
Poirot was here. I saw her.
No, Hermione, darling, that was a long time ago.
Was it? Oh, of course. I've been having the most terrible dreams.
All right, well, let's get you back to bed, Angel.
Is Carl coming home soon?
Come on.
I'll get an officer to take your statements.
안 그래도 연쇄살인범이 패턴을 받고 혼란스럽기만 한데 푸아로를 보았다는 안주인의 횡설수설한 증언까지 사건은 더더욱 미궁속으로 빠져들 수밖에 없었고
How come you never told the police? How come you let that man and those women be killed?
Did not let them be killed.
Well, that's what it says here. My dad died in Belgium. In your shitty country that you couldn't even stay and fight for.
경찰 측 엄플로 인해 온갖 비난이 푸아로를 향하기 시작하던 그때
Your neighbor told me where you'd be. Go.
What are you hiding from the police?
세 번째 희생자의 동생 프랭클린의 초대를 받게 되죠.
I was not enough.
I don't hold you responsible, far from it.
How is Lady Hermione?
She's very frail. I wouldn't have left her if this wasn't so important. What is your opinion of Inspector Crumb?
I am not familiar with his methodology.
But you do, though. So what do you think?
There is a connection between Bexhill and Churton. I've never been to Andover, so perhaps the connection is a mere...
I want this bloody man stopped.
What makes you think it's a man? Excusez-moi.
Monsieur Hercule, are you having fun yet? What's next? You ask the questions, and I will pay for your time.
경찰만으로는 사건을 해결할 수 없을 거라는 확신. 프랭클린은 푸아로를 선임하게 되죠.
You've met Miss Megan Barnard and Donald Fraser, and of course, poor Mrs. Asher's husband is in prison. Thor is just getting dressed. We've had something of a fracas at Coombside. The maids have it in for Thora. It's just jealousy, I expect. But I've taken this room for her. Thora.
이로써 A부터 C까지 사건 관련자들을 한데 모을 수 있었고
Franklin says you don't think the killer is a man.
There is a layer of artifice in the letter the women were writing to give the impression of being a man.
Betty would never have gone off with another man. Never.
So Miss Barnard went to a beach hut and took her stockings off for another girl.
Christ, Betty wouldn't have gone off with anyone. She loved me.
Mes enfants.
사건을 해결해야 한다는 의도가 무색해지는 분위기는 이상한 방향으로 흐르기 시작하는데요.
We were told you were going to ask us questions, so get on and ask them.
No strangers, nothing different in the behavior of the victim?
No, nothing strange, nothing different.
Mr. Fraser?
No, nothing different, nothing unusual. Is that it? Because the police asked exactly the same question. You've wasted your money. I've wasted my time.
He's upset. That went well.
Can you tell me what sort of person your sister might have met at the beach? Stockings your sister wore?
No.
프랭클린의 지원으로 드디어 본격적인 수사에 착수하게 된 푸아로. 도무지 자신과의 연관성을 찾을 수 없는 첫 번째 장소, 엔도버를 찾는 선택을 하게 되고 이 사건을 해결해 줄지 모를 자그마한 단서를 발견할 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후 마침내 잊어버렸던 퍼즐의 마지막 조각을 찾게 되죠.
Despite me telling you point blank to stay out of this, Clark's got you on the payroll.
I did not withhold information from you. Tell lies about me to make yourself more popular.
They make up what they want, they always do.
Because of this, I have been spat at.
Says about you. Look what it says about me. I can't fire my arse with both hands.
It's not what it said.
What the hell?
Madam Asher was wearing new stockings. Betty Barnard was strangled with the same make of stock. I think this is what is left of the packet the stockings came in.
지금 당장 경찰들을 투입, 스타킹에 대한 정보를 얻어야 한다 주장하지만 크롬의 입장에서는 세상 뚱딴지 같은 이야기가 아닐 수 없었고
There is a code. The code is me.
What?
Chin Chin. In 1921, I had a cream tea at the Ginger Cat. I attended Lady Hermione's birthday party in Cumside.
Andover. It doesn't fit the pattern.
I found this in Madame Asher's shop. She kept it since 1914.
Train carrying refugees from Belgium was held at a siding, waiting for a driver. One of the passengers got tired of the long delay and his mother went into labour. Was able to offer the newborn boy a full wardrobe of booties and shawls. Very sweet, but what's it got to do with you? The baby was delivered by another passenger on the train, M. Hercule Poirot, before continuing on its journey.
I didn't know it was Andover. The night was dark, and no one thought to mention where we were.
This baby would be 19 by now. What was the mother's name?
Marie.
This baby could be our man.
But you're right, Crumb. The killer knows me, knows all about me. From the moment I arrived in this country, my entire life here. I know everything. And the next locale, the letter D. Find them. Let's make a list of all the places beginning with D.
그리고 다음 날
Dawlish, Deal, Didcot, Denmark Hill, Doncaster. One of these stations, one of these cities, towns and villages is where ABC will be next. Go through the telephone directory.
다소 비효율적이더라도 전수조사를 할 수밖에 없었고.
How long has she gone for?
A couple of hours. What's this?
Backgammon. Used to play a lot. Used to be good.
What happened?
I stopped being good.
Oh, Mr. Cust. You're the killer. It's you.
I'm a travelling salesman. I sell stockings.
I'm only joking. The ABC used to do the railway guide. I read that in the paper. And you'd have to be thick to leave that sort of a clue if it was actually a name. Waste of a good stocking, if you ask me.
Nothing else ties us tight. Tighter.
진짜로 그는 특이 성향을 지닌 범죄자가 맞는 걸까? 릴리의 도움을 빌려 그 의중을 알 수 없는 행위를 저지르고 있었고.
Mademoiselle, do you recognize this? Might have seen on your sister's dressing table the color of a packet of stockings.
I'm sorry. I haven't been completely honest about that night. I suppose I'm ashamed about it. We didn't agree to not say anything, Donald and me. You see, he, Donald and me.
Had a prior understanding.
After he took up with Betty.
Right.
Donald?
You're coming home with me.
Oh, my broken heart.
Wanted to rub his nose in.
I thank you for your help.
그다지 중요하지 않을 수는 있지만 그럼에도 조금이나마 마음의 짐을 덜 수 있었는데요. 그런데
There was a man at the Palais with the same clothes as you. He walked right past me.
I'm told Lady Hermione believes she saw me at Cumside the day Sir Carmichael was murdered.
I'll let you speak alone. Uncomplimentary about Thora, I'm afraid. The animosity seems to be the only thing keeping her going.
이내 곧 5년 전 이곳을 찾았던 그날의 기억들이 되살아나기 시작하죠.
Bravo! Bon anniversaire, Lady Hermione.
Oh, I am such an admirer.
Are we going to have a murder?
Les enfants, ce soir, tonight, unparalleled and macabre savagery of reckoning and revelation. This is a game, but for me, it is my calling.
Birthday murder. Birthday murder. Birthday murder. Birthday murder.
Don't come too close. I smell.
Je suis désolé for all your sorrows.
Told Miss Gray is in an hotel. Franklin is like my darling car. He won't hear a word against that. He got party in her hands.
Lady Hermione, I'm told I came to the house not years ago, but recently.
The morphine plays tricks on me. Sometimes I forget that Carr is dead. Oh, it was, I was by the window against the sun, which is supposed to be good for me. It's the same hat, the coat.
No, thank you. We don't buy anything at all.
But it was just a salesman. Of course, I knew it wasn't you. But just for a moment, I was so happy. Poirot is here, I thought. Now we shall have fun like we did when we were beautiful.
Did you ask Miss Gay about it?
I had another attack. And then Carl was killed. Confused.
What did this visitor look like? The one you thought was me? Young, old?
I'm not sure. Thora was always waiting for me to die, even when I was still alive. Don't let her get her claws into Franklin.
프랭클린의 경고 그대로 도라를 향한 원망만을 쏟아내는 제대로 된 대화를 이어가기 어려운 상황이었고
I don't know what he looked like. I bought a pair of stockings from him to make him go away.
Was he dressed like me?
I don't know. I threw the packet away and I only wore the stockings for a few hours and then I threw them away too.
Why?
Because I have long legs and they were too short for me.
Laura, why didn't you say anything?
Because I forgot. Now everyone's shouting at me and I've done nothing wrong except...
No one's shouting.
Yes, you are.
Dad,
Bloody
you've been-
awful it is to be me.
Thora.
결정적 순간 또다시 진실의 문턱을 넘지 못한 채 며칠이 흐른 어느 날
Find your bag, ladies. Beg your pardon. Sharing with you again.
4월 15일에 돈캐스터에서 살인을 저지르겠다는 ABC의 협박. 그런데 한 가지 이해되지 않는 건 경마를 의미하는 단어와 스타킹과의 접점을 찾을 수 없었고
You've been to Doncaster races before. Where we're going is horses. Say anything else to you?
No.
자연스레 수사의 망을 촘촘하게 좁혀가는 건 사실상 불가능한 상황. 이를 비웃기라도 하듯 네 번째 살인이 일어나게 되는데요.
He sells stockings door to door. Who buys stockings at a race meeting? Girls might buy stockings between the mat.
그런데 여기서 예기치 못한 변수.
BBC has made a mistake. This is Benny Grue, a risque comic.
D의 이니셜을 지닌 덱스터가 아닌 그와 함께 대기실을 사용하는 엄한 코미디언을 살해해버린 것.
There he is. Are you making any progress, Inspector?
Is the killer even English?
이것이 범인의 의도된 바인지 아니면 말 그대로 실수인지 수사팀의 혼란은 가중될 수밖에 없었고
No, leave my clothes. I'll put them on myself. Franklin. Good morning.
You might be poorly, Mr. Cust. I think you might be poorly in your head.
Why isn't he writing?
Because this wasn't part of the mistake at Doncaster has changed everything. We will not receive any more letters.
그렇다면 결국 그동안의 편지에서 단서를 찾아야 한다는 의미이기도 했는데요.
Faceless beast. Faceless beast. Why faceless?
Because it's more frightening. Because we don't know who he is.
Or because I do. They know me. They dress like me. So somehow I must know them too. I must know their face. I must.
Why are they dressing like you? What did you do to make them hate you so much?
I do not know.
You said the killer had details about your life from the moment you got here. What about before 1914? Could someone have followed you here? Someone who hates you? Or a son of someone who hates you? What about before in Belgium?
연달아 사람들을 살해할 정도라면 푸아로를 향한 원망이 장난 없을 거라는 건 자연스러운 추리. 그렇지만 정작 아무런 사건 사고도 떠오르지 않는 지금 가장 고통스러운 건 푸아로 자신이었고
MC, next station.
Next station is MZ.
Police sources say the murder of comedian Benny Groom by the killer known as ABC was likely to be an error, but would neither confirm nor deny if this meant that the previous was still applicable. Nonetheless, towns and villages across the country beginning with the letter E are paralyzed with fear.
그렇게 몇 시간이 흐르고 가까스로 정신을 차릴 수 있었지만 아니나 다를까 그의 손에는 큼지막한 칼이 쥐어져 있었고 이내고 설명할 수 없는 불안함을 떨칠 수 없었는데요. 겨우 모자를 수습하며 안도하는 것도 잠시.
You're right in there, sir. You're right in there. Jesus. Call the police!
Help!
The killer isn't large. Could still be in the embassy area.
Let's get this bastard.
You heard the inspector. Come on!
Found it, sir! The knife!
Edwards. We've got the knife. And his hat and coat.
Was he married?
A widower. Word is he had a lady friend.
Men buy lady friends gifts.
Shops will fleece you every which way. They're a bastard shop, but door to door. Now that's gold. Salesmen, they buy the stock. They're responsible for the stock. They sell. They, Now, Mr. Poirot, what is it that you wanted?
A list of your salespeople.
Yvonne! Do you hear that?
In London, Monsieur Prynne.
London?
런던은 공식적으로 외판원을 운영하고 있지 않다는 실망스런 답변이 돌아오게 되는데요. 그런데
Had a bulk buy.
The name of the person ordering?
No name. Just the request in cash. We did get a letter from a fruitcake in London, though.
Do you still have that letter, madame?
That young lady that was strangled with a stocking wasn't a Twinkle Toes, was it?
It was.
This is it. And ready to begin my venture with Twinkle Toe. The coat is the best quality I have ever owned, and only wear it when engaged upon your business.
Coat?
Yours faithfully, Alexander Beacus.
I need to make a telephone call.
What did I tell you, eh?
Got him.
I'd like you to come in the house, miss. Sit quietly with your mother till this is done.
Lily?
Don't go back to the house. Police are here for you. Don't go back. Go somewhere else, Mr. Costa. Go quick.
Alexander Bonaparte Cust!
Run!
Don't you dare let him die! I want him alive!
You dusted the typewriter for fingerprints.
All his, except for a few. He planned it all in here. It's a real shithole.
Will he live?
Long enough. Some sort of brain growth, apparently. It was a strange one. No mistake. When they stripped him off at the hospital, they found all these holes in his back. Like he'd been hammering nails into himself. Religious fanatic, maybe.
그런데 잠시 후
I was listening. Are you going to see him? Will you tell him I've got his backgammon case? I sneaked it away. Got it hidden. You might want it.
He's very sick, mademoiselle.
I thought he was poorly.
Mr. Cass received no visitors, but did he receive letters?
He got parcels that came before he arrived, and then a letter and parcels came later.
And they would have arrived after the Doncaster murder.
Yeah, they did.
You warned him because you thought he could not have done it. Why?
Tell me how Mr. Cust could have killed that man in Doncaster during the 4 o'clock race and behind bar 7. Behind bar 7
When
because
you were walking on his back and your broken sharp heel, pain of that would have been a distraction from the agony in his skull.
Hanging's too good for him. What he did to our darling Betty.
커스트를 연쇄살인범으로 단죄, 다시금 보통의 일상으로 돌아갈 수 있었는데요. 문제는 이러한 수사 결과에 동의하지 못한 이가 있었다는 거죠.
Do you know me?
I know of you.
But you wrote me this intimate letter.
I followed you the other day. You looked old and tired. I don't remember writing this. I must have done. I say that. Chin Chin. And I went to all those places. They were all on the list that Twinkle Toes gave me.
The list?
Easier for new salesmen to work alphabetically. They sent a list. It was so helpful. I wasn't very good at selling stockings.
Monsieur Cast, the manager of Twinkle Toes, has never heard of you. How did you acquire the typewriter?
It was given to me.
And was the idea to sell stockings door to door given to you as well by someone whom you had once played backgammon with? A way which you could make a living, suggested a place where you could find the railway guides and the clothes so you could be smart. And you got instructions where to go?
Yes, I like order. Without it, without instruction, I get rather lost.
Would you remember this person?
I don't know. I have such terrible blanknesses. Sometimes faces go. I wake up in places and I can't remember how I got there. Sometimes there is blood. On me. There was the knife. And all those dead people. I don't want to be a monster.
You're not, monsieur.
그리고 그날 저녁.
I'm going back on the last train to be with Hermione. She's so weak, but she wanted me to thank you.
I'm sure she does.
She always used to say to Carmichael that you were the best birthday present he ever gave her.
이어 전혀 뜻밖의 소식을 접할 수 있었는데요.
I'm going to be a husband.
Miss Grey?
Yes. I'm very much in love with her. Well, more than in love. When this is all over, I'm going to pop the question.
푸아로와 크롬은 날이 밝기 무섭게 걸음을 재촉.
I found it in your wardrobe.
수사의 망은 프랭클린과 도라를 옥죄기 시작하죠.
Prove that I covered for Franklin. You can't. Well then. Kindly leave. I'm an innocent woman and I wish to get changed. Where are my clothes?
Your hotel bill has not been settled. Franklin has no money until Lady Hermione dies. She is still living.
My purse. My purse. No. My...
He would have killed you as well. You know that, really.
Don't you pity me?
Franklin's fingerprints match the unknown ones on the typewriter.
The artifice in the letters was ventriloquism. Monsieur Cast was being worked. Words put into his mouth.
I used to make a living at this.
Well, then you need a new living, my friend.
It's hard. You need someone to recommend you, and I don't know anyone.
Well, you know me now. I've got some friends in sales, and I'm going to do you a favor, Mr. Cast.
Sometimes the stars align. Chin Chin.
I'm sick of these hazards in my vestibule.
Let me carry them up for you, madam.
Franklin?
If you want to stay alive,
I was in the bath. Is there something wrong?
why aren't you on the train, you f***ing idiot?
Someone there. Can you help me, please?
Sometimes Alexander Bonaparte. Chin chin.
이 모든 게 형수의 불을 탐한 욕심에서 벌어진 끔찍한 살인이었음이 드러나며 사건을 종결할 수 있었는데요. 그로부터 며칠의 시간이 흐른 어느 날,
What a treat. Thank you. That brandy glass, eh? That's what did it for me, isn't it? My fingerprints on the brandy glass.
You're having one now.
Yes. Chin chin. All that time you were looking for enemies, for someone who hated you. You never thought to look for a friend, for someone who loved you.
I doubt you know the meaning of the word.
No, that's not true. I adored Hermione. And Carmichael.
You killed him for his title and his money.
Well, yes, there is that.
You killed Alice Asher and Betty Barnard to distract from his murder. Doncaster was another distraction.
Doncaster, what a cock-up. If that had gone right, I could have stopped.
No, you couldn't.
No, I couldn't. You're right. Yeah, I got such a taste for it by then. So bloody excited. You know, it was you. I never felt so completely alive than when you were chasing me. No, I was restoring you.
I did not need to be restored.
Oh, come on. You were ruined. You were disgraced, derided, and reviled. And I thought, not on my watch. And the moment I saw Gus' initials, the whole adventure came together, and I thought, how you'd love it.
Franklin, 5 people are dead.
Well, people die all the time, don't they? And really, it's your fault.
How is it my fault?
Hermione's birthday party. Those strange little games. How to get away with murder. The myriad ways to end a life. I was spellbound. I felt such kinship with you. That's why I chose the costume, you see. The dark, the light, the hunter, the hunted. You and your strange enchantments, Hercule.
Franklin, I didn't cast a spell on you. You were kindling, lying in wait for a spark. I fear your soul is a charnel house. I grieve for you.
I wanted so much for you to admire me. To be a worthy adversary, someone you could share your secrets with.
I did not have secrets.
We're friends.
남들이 부러움하지 않는 풍족한 삶이었지만 그 부의 원천이 나에게 있지 않은 것에 대한 결핍, 그리고 자신의 존재감을 드러내는 데에 있어 주저함이 없는 관종의 기질까지 아주 작은 차이로 천재와 미친 자가 구분지어진다는 걸 다시금 깨달을 수 있었는데요.
You're going to miss me, Hercule.
제 아무리 지능이 뛰어난 범죄자라 하더라도 살인이라는 중독을 끊어내지 못한다면 결국 형장의 이슬이 될 수밖에 없음을 보여준 작품.